Welcome back to another installment update episode, whatever the heck you want to call it. Seagulls Master 323. You know the deal. Like and subscribe, comments, help the algorithms, get me famous. Alright, so today I'm going to be basically doing a little bit more work on the car. I've finished doing a stock take at work, so I'm going to crack on. Right, so Nat's just quickly sanded off the paint there, so we can now start pulling in or putting in some pins to weld and pull out. So you can see he's earthed it, and now he's going to start cracking on with a few little welds. So as you can see, Nat has quickly whacked out that sill. Lightning's fast, and now he's just filled it in with a little bit of bog. I'll wait for that to dry, and I'll finish off a little bit of this stuff back at home. But as you can see, he'll give it a light sand so I can drive home. But Nat, absolute wizard when it comes to the bodywork. Very fast, very professional. Thank you very much, Nat. Well, thanks for watching today. It was just a little quick one. Had to get that sill repaired. I've been meaning to do that for a while now, so it was good to have one of the Filipino lads get down here and have a look at it. Nat, absolute legend. Thank you very much for your help. Any questions, sing out. More than happy to answer.